Hi, I'm Anton from Rain Harvesting. Today we're going to look at our range of tank screens. Tank screens are designed to secure the inlet of your rainwater tank. Our 0.955mm mesh ensures that mosquitoes, frogs, leaves and other debris cannot enter. The product has been engineered to ensure a high flow of water can enter the tank to maximise your water capture. The large amount of mesh area allows for flow rates up to and even exceeding 11 litres per second, ensuring that even in heavy rainfalls, you capture as much water as possible. We test our tank screens up to and well over this at our testing facility here in Brisbane. They're available in a range of sizes and designs to suit most tanks, regardless of the shape and material. You can see it here installed on a poly tank, and here you can see one mounted on a metal tank. We have two core ranges of tank screens, one which is designed to be screwed onto the tank, and another which uses our easy fit clip-on system. The clip-on system allows for a quick, tool-free installation and removal of the screen. The base inlet ring forms the foundation of our complete range of clip-on tank inlet components. We have another video where we give you a full rundown on how the entire clip-on system works. On both ranges of tank screens, maintenance is easy. You'll want to remove any leaves and debris from the screen periodically to ensure your system captures the most water possible. Our tank screens are designed to be used with our full range of tank inlet products to give you an optimal inlet setup to ensure high quality rainwater. Solar shields mount under your tank screen and they're engineered to block light from your tank, which can prevent the growth of algae. Maintenance trays sit on top of your tank screen and capture leaves and debris for easy removal. Tank covers attach above the tank screen and block light from entering the tank whilst eliminating splashing from your screen, even if there's leaves on the screen. If you'd like to learn more about our tank screens or our full range of tank inlet solutions, please jump onto the website where you'll find more information.